RTCs are one of the most common incidents our crews deal with, and each one we attend is different. Our crews regularly train with the equipment and different techniques. There is no set way of extracting someone who is trapped in a vehicle. We have to take each job as it comes, but our first priority is the safety of the person in the vehicle, and we must make sure they are safe and no further injury comes to them. Once the vehicle has been stabilized, removing a casualty from a vehicle that has been involved in a collision could involve cutting the doors, roof, sides, or all three off the vehicle. For this, the crew use large hydraulic metal cutters which cut and squeeze the bodywork with ease. The main idea is to make as much space as possible in the vehicle to make it easier to extract the injured person. Once the casualty is extracted from the vehicle, they are handed over to our colleagues in the ambulance service for further treatment.